started. The problem is the radio went to like a V6 mode. SRT Pages is not working because essentially we reset the whole car, right? Hello there everybody. I'm gonna make a review video of this battery kill switch that I just installed it last weekend, and I've been using it all week. So shout out to one of the subscribers here, Sam Life, for his question about the review of the kill switch, how it works with remote start and resetting the SRT pages. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me turn around this camera to demonstrate. All right, so the kill switch is right here. So the car currently is on, right? So everything's on. You can see there, you can open, unlock, you hear that, lock, unlock, everything works, right? Now if I turn this off right here, you can almost hear an audible little sound that, you know, that switch in the battery that I installed is engaging. So now nothing works. See, nothing works, nothing lights up. So if you approach the car, typically this door would work. Now nothing working. So the car is basically electrically dead. Electrically dead. So now let me get closer to make you hear this. I'm going to turn it on. If you listen closely, you'll hear some sort of engagement. You heard that? Now it's on. Once it's on, you can use the remote start. Let's remote start it. It works. There you go. So since everything is working now, right, when we turn on the kill switch, it's cool. You can even remote start it. The problem is the radio went to like a V6 mode. SRT Pages is not working because essentially we reset the whole car, right? Although your seat settings still work, that remembers, it's still memoried. The radio is not working as expected. SRT button is not working. So how do you reset that? You press this tune button and the power button and the tune button simultaneously for maybe 10 seconds. Let's see there. Let's see, 10 seconds. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000, 6, 1000, 7, 1000, 8, 1000, 9, 1000, 10, and then you release. There you go. SRT Uconnect is resetting. Watch it reset. Takes a little bit of time sometimes. All right, you see it reset. Now it's resetting, and now it's back. SRT Pages now works. See that? The only drawback is now I have to reset my custom mode, which is not hard to do. You just put in sport. That's my custom mode. You're good to go. So that was that. About 10 to 15 seconds. Hold the power, radio power, and the tune button simultaneously. Count to 10 to 15 seconds and release, and your radio should reset and you're good to go. Alright, so that's how the battery kill switch works. It's very effective, and it hopefully should prevent your Hellcat from being stolen. At the least, it should delay the people who want to steal your car, and hopefully that delay will frustrate them and they'll just leave your car alone. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and to Sam Life, I'm hoping that this answers your question. It's an effective method, another preventative method to prevent the car from being stolen so easily. It's not very expensive. The link is in the description below. I got it from Amazon. I think it's like 35 bucks. Installation is not very complicated, and all the bugs that at first I encountered is sorted out by this video, because it took me a while to figure out how to reset that radio so quickly, and now that's a process to reset that radio so quickly. So hopefully it answers that question. If you have any more questions, put it in the comments below, and I'll be glad to answer them. And any ideas or questions that you might have that you would think it would be good to make a video out of, let me know. I'll make a video just like this one as requested by Sam Life. Shout out to you. Thank you. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.